Hello guys, this is Brad, and I noticed that a lot of $8,000 has been up in my portfolio yesterday, and I think the stock price will go up, and especially bond price will go up because Federal Reserve says that they will not increase rate anymore. I don't think there will be any increase anymore. And personally, I bought a lot of bond because the bond price is down right now. And I usually invest. I have 69 company stock and 38 company bond, and these are number 1, 2, and JPI give 9%, JPQ 11%. I usually invest in dividend or interest.